Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to explore the world of website design costs in India. So, let's dive right in. The cost of website design can vary based on several factors. These include the complexity of the design, the features you want, and the experience level of the designer or agency you choose. On average, in India, basic website designs can start from as low as 5,000, while more complex and feature-rich websites can range from 40,000 to 2 lakh. It's essential to understand your specific requirements to get an accurate estimate. Another factor that influences costs is whether you choose a freelance designer or a professional agency. Freelancers may be more budget-friendly, while agencies often provide a broader range of services and expertise. If you are on a budget, here are some tips for cost-effective website design. Prioritize your must-have features, consider using pre-designed templates, and communicate clearly with your designer to avoid revisions that can add to the cost. Now, if you are feeling a bit overwhelmed or unsure about where to start, we are here to help. We are offering a free consultation to discuss your website design needs and provide guidance on the best approach for your budget. Take the first step towards a stunning website that suits your budget. Contact us for a free consultation today. Your dream website is just a click away.